Ito yung before ng buhok ng sister. Ayan. Atin siyang i-bleach and highlights pala. Ayan. Ito yung result mamaya, mga idol, mga sisi.
Look at that. Highlights is done. Now it's coloring naman after bleach.
Bleach.
Yeah. Look at my new look.
New look.
Look at this, my new look.
Highlights and color, mga idol.
Look at that. With my bangs, my first time bangs ever. See that? My sister make me beautiful. Done product.
Hindi mo ganyan, parang di board. Pangpalit ng mukha dyan sa harap, hilahin ng buhok.
Look at my new look.
Hindi yung mama